Hey kids, welcome back to Art with Mrs. Allen. Today I was in the mood to switch it up and draw something different. So I found this little guy on my bookshelf. This is Baby Yoda that my friend 3D printed for me in glow-in-the-dark filament. So I'm gonna draw him, but with color. You're going to need for this project a pencil, a piece of paper, and something to color with. So grab your supplies, remember to pause, and let's get started. Alright, to start my drawing of the child from the Mandalorian, I'm going to use pencil because I make mistakes. And I'm going to start by drawing like a rainbow arch line at the top. I'm going to move a little further up. Just want to make sure I have enough room. See, already making mistakes. There we go. And that's way the top of his head. Then I'm going to make a kind of like a fat U. This is going to be the bottom of his chin, the sides of his face. It's kind of like a U, I guess. I don't know. Alright, then to draw his ears, I'm going to make a like horizontal line going out this way, and a horizontal line going out like that way. Big dumbo ears. Alright, and then I'm going to connect the ears to the face. I like to draw a little kind of line like here first, so I know where I'm connecting on each side. And then I can make it kind of a wavy line because his ears are not straight. Kind of wave it in like that if I want. Same with this, and I make like that little piece at the top. Then we can make the details inside the ears. So again, with kind of a wavy line. Same on the other side. Doesn't have to be exact. In fact, it's more interesting if it's not. Alright. So now, cool, we got the ears, we got the face, we gotta make details for that face. So we're gonna start by doing 3 lines at the top of his head. So I'm just gonna do one in the center, and then one on each side. Then I'm gonna make those cute little head wrinkles by making, again, that rainbow arch, and this time just between the lines, even extending it out. Make it look nice and wrinkly. Alright, then I'm going to do 3 more lines right underneath that, and this is going to make his, I guess it's the muscles between your eyebrows. There we go. Now let's try to make those big eyes. All right, we're gonna put them on each side of the face here. And we're gonna do our best to make them the same. So that's the tricky part, right? And just raise that up. And let's try it on the other side. And in fact, you might even give yourself a little like marker where you want it to go. Obviously, lots of people like to grid their faces, but we're just doing a quick drawing. Alright, good enough. Now, on top of the eyes, we've got the eyelids. Okay, these are wrinkly, David. And put a little bit of that underneath. And then we're going to do the inside of the eye. I'm going to add a piece here. Sides, a little curved line, get an eye shape. And then I'm going to leave some circles. They're going to be white for the light glint. Right? Okay, cute. Alright, after that, let's do the nose. So we're going to do, again, these little curved rainbow lines, but they're going to get longer each time. I don't know, this reminds me of kind of like a Wi-Fi symbol. And then one on the side, on each side to make the nose. And then we're going to do 2 underneath to make the nostrils. Aw, cute. Okay, now to make the mouth, we're going to put a line underneath the nose, kind of make it arch up in the center. And you can make a bottom lip by adding a little line here. And since I'm kind of, let's put chin here. Cute. And then we'll add maybe some of those little wrinkle lines again, going out on both sides. Awesome. Maybe add a little wrinkle here. Okay, now we're gonna draw his clothes. So he's wearing this little robe thing. He's got his hand out. So gonna make sure I do that. That's the tricky part. Foreshortening. Almost said foreshadowing. I'm foreshadowing the future of me not doing this foreshortening correct. But let's see. Okay, so I'm gonna draw a line here, a little curve, another curve here, and bring that around that part of the jacket. And then again, just bring it around his neck there. Make sure it goes around the neck. Okay, from there, we're gonna work on that tricky hand. So I'm gonna start by drawing a circle, but I'm not gonna complete it. Bring it to like there. Okay, next, I'm gonna come in from this circle. It actually looks like a C, the letter C. I'm gonna bring this in and I'm gonna go down like that. Then from here, I'm gonna come up. And this is gonna make the opening for his hand to come out of the robe. So now we're gonna draw the hands. I always say, I think hands are one of the trickier things to draw. I've had a little bit of practice. I'm gonna erase these lines so that I have space for his other finger. Draw those little nails on there. Here, and then this is actually going to be his thumb. It's kind of facing at us. Sure, there's nice lines, and then his palm. I didn't really make enough room here, so I'm going to extend it. Like I said, I use the pencil. I make lots of mistakes. I'm going to leave a little space here. There we go. All right. Now we've got a hand, we'll draw the robe. So we're going to come to vertical, diagonal, maybe both, diagonal lines on both sides. I don't know. And then connect it at the bottom. I'm having fun. I hope you guys are having fun. All right, now that we've got that, I'm going to add some little details here, maybe like the opening of the robe. And then here, where his arm would be coming out. You know, I really just hate this. I have to redo this. Artists on ourselves, right? Okay. I think it needs to be longer. Cool. Okay. And then let's draw the other arm on the other side. This one's easier. All right, we go a little line down here. Then I'm gonna do this curve, and this is like, yeah, just making short arms. Whatever. To make the cut of his coat. And then we're gonna draw another little hand down here. So again, these are just kind of rounded little shapes. He doesn't have, you know, human hands, so you're good there. Whatever you make up will look all right. There we go. I'm gonna add those little nails though. Those are creepy. Cool. All right. I like it. I think it's cute. Looks good. All right, our drawing is done. So the next thing I would suggest doing, or at least what I'm gonna do, is I'm gonna trace it first with the Sharpie, do all my lines. I like to erase any lines that are still showing after I use my Sharpie. And then I'm gonna come in here and use some colors for him. So, all right, let's get going. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time, and don't forget to subscribe.